Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do, I think, something very strange, but it was proposed to me by a subscriber just a few weeks ago, and I think it was interesting. Since we already did some painting with baking soda, we mixed it with about everything, but we didn't mix it with vinegar. So as you know, when you mix baking soda and vinegar, you can do a volcano with it. So I think it's going to be kind of interesting to try this mix with our painting. So without overdue, we're going to go and try it and see what happens. Let's go and try it. Okay guys, so I think, well, the result is very interesting. That's the least we can say. I think it's kind of strange though, because I could have gone a few way about it, meaning that I could have put, instead of the vinegar in first, I could have put the baking soda, then add the vinegar at the end for the flip cup. I think that would have been the best way to go, but still, it's, like I said, it's kind of very strange, the result. I would say it's kind of nice, but again, it's subjective with art, and especially this kind of art, abstract. It's not for everyone, but I think it's very nice. It does kind of not a landscape, but a relief over it. I think it's kind of nice, but I think it's a bit dull. So what could we have done? I think we could have kept some paint and pour some more over it and try to make some kind of design. That would be nice also. But anyway guys, I think it's kind of nice. It's one thing is for sure, it's changed for the thing we usually do. So I think for that matter, that's nice, and the result is conclusive. But like I said, to each his own, it's subjective. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, because there's like I said, there's a few ways to go about it. So try your own. You're gonna see. I think it's surprising. We can even go to try and make something that would kind of blow up. So that would be interesting also. A bit messy, but still interesting. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys.